Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make moringa from the scratch, from the cutting process to the drying process and the blending process. So guys, if you want to join this wonderful experience, stay tuned to the channel.
So guys, this is the giant moringa we are working with today.
So now guys, we are going to cut this moringa, just little from it. Once we are done cutting it, we will now take it home and start the second process. Well, as you can see, the moringa is taller than me, so I have to be cutting it one after the other, just small small pieces. Okay.
So guys, at the end of the day, I couldn't cut this particular moringa. I had to bargain with my brother to help me cut it. It's funny though, the thing he bargained with was so funny. He said I should give him my Christmas meat, but nevertheless I did. Just for him to help me and cut it. So here I am cutting the ones that my hand can reach. So guys, I made a video on the benefits of moringa. So if you want to know the benefits of moringa, you can watch the video. I'll drop the link down the description box. So we are done cutting the moringa. This is me washing the moringa. You have to wash it section by section because the weather is so dusty. So we don't need any dates in our moringa because it's also meant for drinking and for hair products. So here I am tying the moringa. You have to tie it section by section, okay? So guys, just find the space and hang your moringa. Moringa doesn't need sunlight, just an open air place. Then it will dry in the space of 3 to 4 days. So guys, another method of drying this moringa is with your oven. If you have oven, easy peasy, just put it inside the oven and it will dry up. So the next step now is to just remove it from the way we tied it so that air will penetrate inside for those of us doing the 3 days drying method. So once you are done drying it, once it's dried, you will now get ready for the blending process. If you have watched this video up to this point, please subscribe and like, drop a comment also, okay? I just use this small blender to blend it, but if you don't have blender, you can just take it to the market to grind it, okay? So here I am trying to blend mine to make it smooth because that is our goal. So guys, once I'm done, I'll just save it out. This is the one I saved out. This is the one I'll be using for my hair. And this is the one that I'll be using for drinking. See how powdered it is. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share, okay? Bye.